we'll be back to finish the vlog. This is me before the gym. Okay, back from the gym. I know I look like I haven't even left the house for real, but yes, I'm in fact back. It's been about, give or take, 15 minutes. I went ahead and started prepping dinner. We are having rice and gravy. Kind of just eating whatever is left over from Thanksgiving. And I usually don't eat dinner this late, honestly. If I wasn't going to the gym, I would have eaten dinner like 2 hours ago, around like 6 or 7. It's 8 right now. Like, it just turned 8:01. So after dinner, I'm gonna come back up here and really start like picking up my room. It kind of looks a little crazy right now, but I'm kind of waiting for the halfway mark so I can flip my chicken, and then which is in the air fryer. Don't worry, I didn't leave like fire unattended. And then I'll come back up and then we can kind of keep going. I am gonna go ahead and shower as well, obviously, and that's gonna all happen. So I'm gonna be back whenever something gets interesting or when I'm about to show you my skincare routine for the night.
Yo, DJ Smasher.
Oh. Sweet embrace. I in fact literally forgot I left my socks soaking in bleach. My white socks. She got on bait. But in all actuality, I'm gonna go ahead and take that out after I do my skincare. Now, we're also gonna listen to Control by SZA because I was feeling that album. That if I ever lost control or did not have control, things would just be, you know, fatal, you know? Apparently, we'll rub this in. Or not, like, or whatever. Which, it doesn't really, is it? And then of course if I'm wearing makeup, I will double cleanse with an oil cleanser and like my CeraVe salicylic acid. That's basically my skincare. In terms of calming, trying to wind down for the evening, like evening routine, I never go too crazy unless it's like a self-care kind of day and I'll do a face mask. I do in fact have a package that I do need to film for tomorrow, but I'm actually gonna open it right now, so I made sure I have everything in it, of course, you know. And right now my room is in disarray, and I tend to do that before I go to sleep. That it's kind of like my night shift. You up. We might just actually open up the package first because I think, if I'm not mistaken, my tripod is in there. So my problem with Amazon is for some brand that has killer like digital footprint like to the max, their boxes be so big for like the littlest things. I'll order an SD chip and instead of them putting it in like one of those plastic baggies, they'll put it in like a box. Like, whose fault is this? Hold on now. New angle unlocked. Tripod is doing the damn thing. I don't think we've ever seen my room from this angle. But yes, if you want to know what my room feels like to me, like this is basically my height in comparison to everything else in my space. My room feels a lot smaller because I have a lot of stuff in it, but it makes it feel like home. Night mode. At night where I usually tend to wind down, it's like 11:30 and usually I take this time to like Imagine imagine wrestling with other things on your own channel. Spooky. But yeah, usually around this time I tend to get into a hobby. So it would either really be crocheting, scrolling through TikTok, or read. And I kind of want to read, but I don't know what book to read because I just finished book 2 of the Natural series, so Killer Instinct, and that book left me on such a like good reader's high that I have to start the next book immediately or else I'm gonna fall out of it. And then do I know I have 30 minutes? I'm really gonna fall asleep, but I was celebrating. I have a
And a Foxy Brown, and I realized after trying a lot of other lip liners, I do love this.
I never call my name.